One of the really useful features of the NALC website is the resource library. You can find this by clicking on Resources in the main menu. The resource library includes a whole range of items, including publications, templates, advice and guidance, committee minutes and agendas, and much more besides. There are two main ways to search the resource library. One of them is simply to search in the main search box. So in this case, I'm going to search for audit, click on the magnifying glass, and it brings up everything that is related to audit that is in the resource library. You can change the order in which the items appear by changing it in the top right-hand corner. At the moment, by default, it is most relevant, so the things that it thinks you're most likely to want to find. But you can change it to most recent, so if you know something has come out recently, you can search for it that way. One of the other ways to look for information is by using the information type, audience, topics of interest, or year that are on the right-hand side of the website. This is really useful if you're trying to narrow it down to particular types of items. So for example, if you open the Audience tab, you can reduce it down to legal advice notes. This is what we once referred to as legal topic notes. And you will find in here just those particular items. This is also a useful place to try and find items if you're on a NALC committee. So for example, if you were on the Smaller Councils Committee, you can search for smaller councils in the main search bar, and then open the Audience tab and go to Smaller Councils Committee, and it just comes up with the minutes and the agendas.